Sir, the release amount, I think that whether it is going to be matching the amount which was released for Gujarat, Karnataka and other state which was ruled by the BJP.
2013 करोड़ SDRA फंड तमिलनाडु सरकार के पास उपलब्ध है और जिसका वह उपयोग कर सकते हैं।
Honorable member, please ask a member.
Sir, the answer that has been given by the minister is not bona fide. I can tell that it is completely malified. You are keeping the stepmother attitude towards the states which are not run by the BJP. Sir, we should not confuse. Let me clear before this house for academic reasons and other reasons. Sir, state disaster relief fund is nothing to do with national disaster fund. The amount which is being asked by the Tamil Nadu government is under national disaster fund by exclusively by the central government, union government. But SDRF is nothing but the contribution that has been given by the state government also there under the 15th Finance Commission. So 15th Finance Commission is universal to all states. You cannot go for the specific one. It is available to every state. Matching share is there. All states have to give the matching share, 20% or 25%. So don't confuse Mr. Minister. So don't confuse Mr. Minister yourself between the national disaster fund and
please ask question.
Sir, my question is, sir, I can give ample example. The way in which the other states are being treated is something different. My only question is, at least hereafter, whether the government has come forward to devise a new rules under the National Disaster Fund to maintain the same attitude and homogeneous attitude, similar and identical attitude to treat all the states on par with Gujarat and Karnataka where your government is in power.
செய்திகளை உள்ளது உள்ளபடி தெரிந்து கொள்ள ரெஃப்ளெக்ட் நியூஸை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க.